Welcome to the first episode of DIY. This is where I'm going to take some old furniture and, really DIY it. A lot of learning is going to be happening here, even though I kind of do this for work, but there's still always a big learning curve because I'm trying to go out of the box. On today's episode, I'm going to be focusing on coffee tables and end tables. I did a lot of research and found out farmhouse style is still in. Didn't think it was, but here we are. So let's get to building. As I was looking over all of this furniture, there was just a little wear and tear here and there, except for one spot that was badly damaged from a puppy chewing it. Easier fix, but it was also just missing some handles here and there. Still, easy fix. Let's go down and patch it. We're gonna strip it down and then do some sanding. As I started painting this, I wanted to do a cracked, old, antique look. What I've learned is you take 2 parts water, 1 part glue, you paint it on, let it sit a little bit, tack it up, spray it on, and let it sit, and it will start to crack and peel. One thing I did learn, make sure it's a flat surface. When I did it on the side, it started to sludge down, which was not great, so I had to redo. Spent a lot of time trying to figure that out. Don't recommend it. Just do it on a flat surface, so it sits there, works way better. Now we learned how to do the crack paint effect. Let's just finish all the painting. Now after that's all done, with the sanding and all that, now it was time to stain the top. I wanted to go dark to contrast the white. Once it's all done stained and polished, let's add those hinges and let's see what we get. So I learned a lot on doing this. I've never did a crack paint before. So here it all is. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.